Today we'll talk about how can you add primary phone on your StubHub app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You click here on contact here, just click on it. So when you click on contact, it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video here. You come here to primary phone, click in this sign. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open video, and you go to your uh, so here like this new authentication code has been sent to your email, and you get your authentication code. Then you add it here, click here on SIMs, then it's going to take you to add your primary phone on your StubHub app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.